As part of Edmonton's commitment to sustainability, we've been exploring some options on doing solar integration into city-owned buildings. And the Edmonton Convention Centre is an iconic building in the city's river valley and the skyline, and provides an awesome opportunity for us to have Canada's largest building integrated solar installation in Canada.
We've been a company that has a sustainability plan in place for over a decade now. We're very proud to be a company that is really leading the way in that area. This was the next evolution as part of that plan and allows us to really prioritize greenhouse gas emissions as well as climate change and how we plan to be in action around that in the coming years.
Well, this was the perfect project to show the dedication of the city's commitment to sustainability. It's a south-facing building, has maximum exposure to the sun, and it's an iconic building that everyone gets to walk through each year. So we're looking at between 200 and 250 kilowatts. So that's we're going to yield about a payback of 22 years with that.
The other side of this project, and what we really control as the convention center, is how do we drive down electrical demand beyond just producing renewable energy here on property. And that's going to really be through enhancements to our building envelope, ongoing electrical upgrades, LED retrofitting to help just use less energy throughout the year as well, so that a greater marginal percentage of our energy is going to be coming from that renewable source.
Edmonton does get a significant amount of sun in North America, so we definitely do look at it where it's feasible in some of our projects.